Welcome to the Auto Angel Incorporated YouTube channel. Today's the 29th?
29th.
29th of March. It's early afternoon. We're working on a Subaru. 05 Subaru Forester came in with a check engine light complaint, no cruise control, ABS light on,
Brake light.
brake light illuminated. So the diagnostic steps led to an open circuit in one of the fuses, which ultimately leads to where I'm going to show you. But I'd like to just take the people watching this through a series of steps that takes us to isolate or pinpoint a problem that's unique and different and how complex it can be. So if the camera will come in here, they'll see that the vehicle's disassembled and different parts of the car are being isolated or different parts of the circuits. So to not bore you with too many details,
Fuses.
we're going to go ahead and move to the back of the vehicle and show you the harness that our technicians found. Our ASE certified master technicians found up underneath the harness here, or underneath the tire cover. In the storage well, someone took the initiative to store a product that I probably shouldn't show what it is, but I'm going to go ahead. This product was upside down in the storage compartment, and that product leaked out, followed the carpet line, got on the wiring harness, and if you'll know this here is what a wiring harness should look like. It's factory, small wires, multiple, but this product, once it was able to contaminate the wires, it basically swelled them to the point where it's ruined the insulation and allowed the wires to touch each other copper to copper, which is ultimately caused what most of the motoring public would refer to as a short circuit, which was what was ultimately causing the fuse to go open or blow. And so now we're going to head into the repair process. We probably won't record that, but the best thing that you can see here is that at the Auto Angel Incorporated, we are capable of finding these kinds of problems. We're determined enough to find them. We have the tenacity and we have the integrity to be able to be in full transparency of these problems. So beware of these products, beware of how you store them, and keep watching. Thank you.